Google conducted studies to discover what the greatest teams at work are. They discovered that the greatest teams were not teams of the most brilliant technical specialists. Rather, the greatest teams were teams of individuals who could communicate, empathize with others, and lead empathetically. Top soft skills for data scientists. 1. Communication. One of the key responsibilities of a data scientist is to make sense of what their data is. They need to communicate what they discover to various kinds of people. 2. Curiosity. Curiosity is having a desire to learn and discover. It is being an unrelenting detective who keeps asking questions. A curious data scientist will not take the first answer. 3. Understanding business. Data science is not just numbers, it is also about making a business successful. Due to this, data scientists need to know how businesses run. 4. Storytelling. Numbers alone don't interpret well. We don't necessarily understand everything from looking at numbers or graphs. That is where story comes in. Storytelling is taking data and placing it within a normal, relatable story that tells us what is going on and why we should care. 5. Adaptability. The technology and business field is constantly evolving. Every day, new tools, techniques, and issues crop up. Due to this, data scientists must be adaptable. 6. Critical thinking. Critical thinking is thinking hard and making the right decisions. Data scientists get a lot of data, but not all of it is accurate or helpful. They must carefully examine the data to discover mistakes or holes. 7. Product understanding. Most data scientists are assigned projects for specific products or services. Having knowledge about the product aids them in creating better solutions. For instance, if a data scientist is in a company that produces video games, having knowledge about how the users enjoy the game or what features they use the most assists the scientist in examining the correct data. 8. Team player. Data scientists are not always solo players. They usually collaborate with other data scientists, engineers, managers, and business professionals. How to enhance soft skills for a data scientist position. Among the ways of building your soft skills are: learn online, acquire new skills like project management or negotiation. Request feedback, discover what you excel at and where you can improve by asking your coworkers or friends. Practice in front of a friend, practice asking for a raise or promotion, and have a friend play the role of your boss and provide feedback. The real benefits of soft skills. Soft skills are easy to acquire. A factory learned that imparting soft skills made its workers much more efficient and earned them a tremendous amount of profit. Soft skills enable individuals to work more efficiently, make sound judgments, and get more work done. Conclusion: soft skills are equally essential as technical skills for data scientists. They enable one to work well with others and make well-informed decisions while solving problems. Growth in these skills can result in a successful and fulfilling career.